So, you've been watching me for a long time. You want to know how to make money with oil fragrances. You could start off with the bundle bunch of 5, or you could just go for the gusto and get 30. Or you get 15. But this gentleman, he's getting 30 today. He wants to gain. I had to clean up and straighten up a little bit. Because I think it's 40 bottles that I've down and comfortable, as you can see. But I'm down to I get down. Okay, let's see. So let's see these. He wanted 8 gains. And gain smells just like the detergent. Gain, just like it says. Gain. Gain wisdom, gain knowledge. Gain. Gain heads turning towards you. Gain. It's like a fresh burst. It smells just like the laundry detergent, but once you put it on your skin, with a little heat moving around, put it in your hair, the creases, all the creases of your body, your neck, inside of here. Just get it going on. With that heat, gain. It's just a fresh sting, like a bee. It's a fresh sting. Gain. So he wants 8 of those. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't play with me. 7, 8, 6. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Don't play with me. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. Then he wanted 2 my mix. Then he wanted the baby powders. That's why I had to put the tops on the baby powders. Because a couple times the tops were off, and that could be messy. Imagine somebody getting oil or you getting oil. I hate that. And you don't realize the roll-on is off. It makes a mess. It's all over. It smells good for days, probably longer, but we don't want that. So I'm going to put the balls on these while we're speaking. So what's been going on with you? You can get the bundles, and the reason I say they're start your own business, because I don't know, he might be getting them for himself. I don't know, but that's what I offer. It's the bundles to make extra in cash. I give them $3. I cut the price so you can make your extra money. Save the money that you make extra, buy more oils, or you could just cash out and spend it. But it's a way. If you love fragrances, you don't really have to re-up on your fragrances a lot. Get them in the bundle. Get him in that. And he might be doing that, like I said, but that's up to him. He can do it, and you can too. So I'm just making up these bundles and putting the roll-on balls on here. And that's what I'm doing today. What you doing? What's your favorite scent? What are you smelling like? And let me know. Let me know. What are you doing to gain customers? If you have a business already, because I know a couple people here, they have businesses already. What are you doing to gain momentum? If you're not outside like I was, what are you doing to gain momentum and keep people in your business? And if you don't have a business, you can start off with the 5 for 35. You get 5 of these. 2, and then 3 more. You get 5, and you could maybe get 2 scents that you like, and then get the other 3 and sell them. It's a different price though. But yeah, it's a different price with the 5 for 35, but still, you can flaunt it and act like you got your business already. Or click the link and get the 5 steps. If you want steps or systems or things like that to start your business, let me know. 5 steps. We chit chat offline. Click that, and I'll have you into my rotation community, which is a lot. I'm on Facebook too, which some people know. But click the link at the bottom and you can enroll in my community. And then this way, when the spring, whether it's fall coming, when the fall hits, we'll be connected really that way, because I could send you emails. We're still connected here and kind of go from there. So yeah, chit chat offline, and we can still stay connected that way. But yeah, this is what I'm doing today, and loving it because I'm making progress. Making progress and topping off these oils, and he's gonna love it. He's getting also, what else is he getting? Savage Dior, he's getting that. He's getting a bunch of those. So his clients are like, they like nice, soft, fresh smells, because that's pretty much what I'm giving. Baby powder, this is the baby powder. And I know some filling these up again. baby powder, which is not to be mistaken for a baby, because men wear it big time too. It's very fresh, and as you can see, he's getting quite a few of them. Quite a cute. He's getting quite a few of the Gain and quite a few of the baby powder. 8 baby powder, like 7 Gains. And, oh my goodness, I'm playing in my oils, yes. So subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're on a biological quest, like I was, like I say, did you know your real dad or mom when you were coming up? Because I didn't. And I'm going to be sharing a little bit more of that when I come on. But I wanted you to let you know that you can earn some extra cash off these bunches of bumpers. Because you can, for sure. And like I said, click the link, Offline Chit Chat, subscribe to the channel, like it if you like it, and I'll see you on the next video very, 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 very soon. Have a good day. Stay smelling amazing.